back for another construction update at the Hyde House Lofts. And right now it's late August. Last time we made a video was about a month ago. And once again, construction has progressed. And this time I want to focus a little bit on the exterior. We're also going to take a look on the interior where we left off in the last video. Basically now you can see that the heavy timber decking is all starting to be installed. And if you look at the very top floor in the middle of the building, you can see the railings that we got custom stamped here in Bayview, and they're going to be installed on all the decks. And what we tried to do is create kind of an industrial motif with this. And you can see with the heavy timber, this is actually Douglas fir heavy timbers for all the decking. You can really start to see that industrial slash that kind of loft aesthetic taking shape. And then start to see some site work happen here, and then this week they're going to start pouring all the site concrete. And over the next month, we're really going to start wrapping up this project with a target of middle October to start some move-ins. And we've just been really blessed with a really great lease up on this project. And so if you're still interested in the unit, you can get on a waiting list at this point, but talk to Courtney in our leasing office and see what's still available. So the lobby is really starting to take shape too now. One of the neat things we did is we brought some of the exterior brick into the interior, and that's going to really kind of bring the outside to the inside. And you can see that the lobby areas are starting to really take shape. The screen wall, the glass wall of the exercise room is now up. And this is where the internet cafe is going to be. We're going to have a big wooden table here with some lights, a very kind of a loft, techy feel. This fireplace. Above this fireplace, we'll see probably in the next video, we're going to reuse a lot of the heavy timbers that we salvaged from the demolition. And the flooring in all of this main lobby area is also going to be reclaimed hardwood that we're sawing down from the original beams we salvaged from the old, the hills that were tore down here. So we're back up on the 4th floor. And last time we saw that we just started drywall up here. So it's a month later, and the 4th floor is really getting close to being complete. I just want to point out a couple of the neat things here. One of the things you can see, this baseboard up and down the hallways and all the main hallways is all reclaimed timber that we milled down from both floor joists and some old beams from the old Hyde House. And also we're using all LED, very high-tech, very highly efficient fixtures all the way down the halls. We've created kind of an industrial aesthetic with the way that these shades are working and the light fixtures are working here. And the interior designers looked at this hallway, and we decided to strike a line basically at the head height of all the doors. And so all the mechanicals are going to be up in this dark zone, and then artwork and other things are going to happen, room signs, etc., happening down these kind of these tan walls. So really the look and the aesthetic is starting to come together, and I'm really excited about it. It's just what we had in mind, and So here we are in one of the 4th floor units, and we saw one of these units framed up in the last video. We also saw the cabinets and a countertop sample in the leasing office, but now we're seeing it installed. So you can see that these kitchens have very much kind of a Euro-tech flavor. These concrete colored countertops are really bringing the look together, and it's really just starting to look really neat. I want to also show you the decks, the size of the decks, and the aesthetic of the decks with these custom fabricated side panels. Very exciting stuff. So here you can see one of the first installations, the full deck. And a lot of room here. Here you can see the dimensional heavy timbers that we got. These are actually full-size, foot-by-foot, heavy Doug fir timbers. So really pretty neat. So the last thing we'll show you in this construction video is one of the bathrooms. And we can see the first installation here of this concrete, kind of stained concrete look floor. Really looking very cool. And also some matte white, the vanity tops, linen closets in each bathroom. Really coming together very nicely. So by the time we do the next construction video, we're going to be wrapping this project up. and you'll be able to see how all the common areas and all the furniture and everything else is coming together. So until then, signing out at the Hidehouse Loft.